All right, this is chapter 1, step 15, which is on page 29 of the book. Uh, and this is going to be something you're going to need in your homework too. So on this, it says it wants you to go into the map tab, into the inquiry group, and use the measure tool. And there's a lot of different cool tools in here. It has you start out, trying the measure distance tool to see, how long the lake is. That's cool. But what you want for the question in 15D is to measure the area. And for this, we want to make sure that it's in hectares, which is down here. Make sure you've got that. And we want planar. It's like pretending that the surface of the earth is flat instead of, like curved and with hills and all that. So that's fine. So what you're going to do is go in there and kind of just start clicking along the edge of the crater. And get as close as you can. I'm not doing that great of a job here. I'm going to go a little bit faster because you really don't want to see me sit here and click away at this, do you? So I'll go a little sloppy here. If you're doing this for reals in a project, there are other tools you can use for one thing, but also you would do a better job, obviously. So I'm going to double click for my last one. And that gives me this dotted outline of the lake. Double clicking is often a way that you end using a tool in ArcGIS Pro, which you'll pick up as we do more work. Over here, I have my area in hectares. HA is short for hectares. So I'm going to do a screenshot of this screen here to paste into my homework, and then also list that I have 5,477 hectares of area. I hope that makes sense and helps you out.